Imagine you're standing at the edge of the Sahara, a vast ocean of sand stretching as far as the eye can see. Did you know that this gigantic desert is not only the largest hot desert on Earth, but it's also actively growing like a living, breathing entity? It's a mystery that's captivated scientists for years, and today we're going to delve into its secrets. We're not just going to talk about the desert, we're going to explore why it's expanding and what that means for the world around it. It's like we're becoming detectives, searching for clues in the sand to understand this incredible phenomenon. So, why is the Sahara expanding its sandy borders? Well, it's a complicated story with several chapters. First, our planet is experiencing climate change, which is like the Earth running a fever. This causes temperatures to rise, making many regions hotter and drier. Think of it like leaving a slice of bread out in the sun. It dries out and becomes hard. The same thing happens to the land when it's exposed to increased heat and reduced rainfall. Second, human activities play a significant role. When we cut down forests, it's like removing the Earth's natural umbrella, exposing the soil to the harsh sun and wind. Overgrazing, where animals eat too much vegetation, is like wearing down the Earth's carpet, leaving it bare and vulnerable. These actions disrupt the delicate balance of the ecosystem, making it easier for deserts to take over. Third, natural processes also contribute to the Sahara's expansion. Weather patterns can shift, causing droughts and changes in rainfall. Wind can carry sand and dust, spreading it across vast distances and turning once fertile land into desert. It's like nature playing a game of musical chairs, rearranging the landscape. Now here's where the story takes a dramatic turn. The Sahara's expansion has serious consequences. It threatens the livelihoods of millions of people who depend on the land for farming and grazing. It can lead to food shortages, water scarcity, and even displacement. It also affects wildlife, as animals lose their habitats and struggle to survive in the harsh conditions. It's like a chain reaction, where one change triggers a series of events that impact everything around it. But there's hope. Scientists are working tirelessly to understand the Sahara's expansion and find solutions to mitigate its effects. They're using advanced technologies like satellite imagery and climate modeling to study the desert's dynamics. They're also working with local communities to implement sustainable land management practices, such as planting drought-resistant crops and restoring degraded lands. And initiatives like the Great Green Wall are planting a barrier of trees across Africa, aiming to halt the Sahara's southward march. Imagine the Great Green Wall as a giant green shield protecting the lands to the south. It's a huge effort involving many countries and communities working together to create a brighter future. To sum it up, the Sahara's expansion is a complex challenge, but it's one that we can tackle together. By understanding the causes and consequences of desertification, we can take action to protect our planet and ensure a sustainable future for all. Now, I'm eager to hear your thoughts. What innovative ideas do you have to help combat desertification and protect our environment? Leave a comment below, and let's spark a conversation. And if you're curious to learn more about the wonders and challenges of our planet, be sure to check out another video about environmental science. Together we can make a difference.